As human beings sure can point the finger as to the reasons why we don't step into this next part in our lives, can't we? I think we've mastered that one as a human race. But what we don't realize in this process is that when we start to say, well, I can't do this because of my kids. I can't take this next loving step and get the right coaching to get me to where I want to be financially, personally. We can say it's our kids, our boss, our financial circumstances, our this, that, and the other thing. But when you have a knowing that something is opening up for you as you start to be part of a community that is getting you to approach your finances in a little bit different of a way, and you don't follow that intuitive hit, that intuitive knowing, all that does is actually hurt you. You are the only obstacle to living the life that you desire. And it's not that all those other things aren't true. They are true. But whatever you energize in your life is what you actually create more of. So if we choose to let things outside of ourselves dictate why we step into or don't step into the next right step for your expansion, for your happiness, for your sustainable happiness, not a short-term, quick fix motivational thing. I'm talking real results. So are you going to love yourself enough to step into it and be one of those people? Because I know you deserve it. You've been waiting to break through these barriers for a long time, because it's all about building your wealth from the inside out. Real wealth, which embodies you personally with your mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual selves. And it's all about aligning. It's all about you aligning with you. Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up, to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop.